Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Pass your assignments. Give me your assignment, please. Songan. Mainingan, Maimilaw. All together read. Okay, very good. Sit down. You have 4 siblings. Very good. Sit down. What are the names of your family? This one, E.G. How to read E.G.? E.G. means for example. Etc. Do you like playing football? Ronaldo? When do you play football? Every day. Sit down. When do you play basketball? Sunday and Saturday. Okay, very good. Sit down. Dancing. Why do you like dancing? What else? Alay, you like listening K-pop music. What K-pop music? Boy band groups. Example? NCT. Okay, sit down. What are your favorite subject in school? What do you want to be in the future? Engineer computer. Why engineer computer? Money higher. More valuable? Okay. Where do you want to study in the university? Sirapakon University. Okay, sit down. Very good. Next. What is something that you want to achieve in the future? Okay, very good. You want to be the doctor. Why? Interpreter. Why interpreter? Interpreter Japanese, English, Chinese, what? Japanese. In English, how much? You love basketball? Dayan niya. You want to get healthy? Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Songan, 6 6 6 6. ไปเลย